Hi, so welcome back. Myself KG. So today I'm here with the same concept that we were checking the conditions using if, and today's concept is a bit different. How? Because if you want to check the values using if, and if you want to apply some logical operators like and or, then I'll show you. I'll show you if I apply and what happens, and the way another way when I apply and what happens. So we'll move to our sheet. So here this is sheet. So yesterday I have told you how to apply the condition, and today I'm going to apply the condition with and. So see here. So bring the mouse pointer here this way and apply the condition like if the cell A3 I am going to compare with B3 and C3 so that I can get the largest value among these three columns. So I am taking A3 greater than B3 and A3 greater than C3. Then obviously A is greater. If you compare A with B, whether A is greater than B and A is greater than C, it means A is the largest one. So same way I have applied the condition using the logical AND. So A3 greater than B3 means if this value is greater than this value and this value is greater than this value, so obviously A3 is the largest. So I am giving it here. A3 is the largest. Otherwise either B or C is the largest. So I'm going to give another if B3 is greater than C3, then B3 is the largest. Otherwise C3 is the largest number. This and this. I'll have to put equal sign. I have forgotten to put equal sign here. Now see. So this is the proper format. So if I apply, because logically, if I apply any programming language, then maybe Python or Basic, the syntax is correct and the statement I'm going to find out the largest among three is also correct. But here in the Google Sheet, it gives the error. It gives the error. So it means I cannot apply this logical AND this way. Then how to apply this logical AND to find out the largest value? Okay, fine. What do I do? So I'll erase the format or the formula and apply with some new techniques. What are those techniques? Number one, I'll apply another logical operator, that is AND, in the beginning, and we'll compare two conditions simultaneously, and whichever if is this operator, that is AND operator, returns true, either it returns true or returns false. So I am going to apply this. So here I am going to apply is equal to and, okay, A3 greater than B3. One, because I have to compare two conditions at a time, comma, the second logical expression, first logical expression I have given, and the second logical expression I'm going to give, like A3 greater than C3. Okay. So if I close this parenthesis and press enter, see what happens. So it gives true. A3 is greater than B3. Perfect. A3 is also greater than C3. It means this statement which I have uh, combined using and, conditions which I have combined using and, gives the true. And if I copy this from here to here, so in the first row, I mean third row, only the first value is largest, but in the rest of the rows the first value is not the largest value. So I'll apply this AND along with if. Let's see how. I'm deleting these outputs, and again I'll apply if and and the output of this AND will be checked by if. So A3 is greater than B3, comma, A3 is greater than C3, means the output of this expression will be either true or false. So if true, means A3 is largest, and if A3 is not largest, it means out of B or C, one is largest among three. So I am going to check it again. If B3 is greater than C3, then B3 is largest among three out of these three values. Otherwise, C3 is the largest value. And yep. And if, and one more if. Again, I have committed a mistake that I have forgotten to put equal sign here again. So see, we examine this statement. If A3 is greater than B3 and A3 is greater than C3, means if this AND operator returns true, then A3 will be greater. Otherwise, out of B and C, one is greater. Whichever is greater between B and C is the largest. Correct? If A is greater than B and A greater than C, means A is the largest, so it is here. Else, if A3 is not largest, then there should be one element should be largest between B and C. So here, this way, if I press enter here, it gives 9925, and see, this is the largest value. So if I copy this or drag this towards the end. So here you see, this is the value, the largest of these three, and over here 6533 is the largest among three, 7427 is largest among these three, and in this row 8732 is largest. So this way we can say this end will help us a lot. So hope you understood the concept of if. Let's see another example. We'll try another example. So for that I have created a sheet. See here, calculate the commission on the given sales. Column B, this column B is the sales column, and I have to calculate the commission on the basis of what? I want commission to be calculated here. So 15% commission on sales if this is above or equals to 35,000, 12% of sales if lies between 25,000 and 34,999, means if the sales is greater than or equals to 25,000 and below 35,000, then the commission is 12%. The commission is 10% if the sales is above and equals to 20,000 and below 25,000, and below 20,000 the commission is 5%. So applying the same condition, I mean using the same operator and if, I'm going to check the condition. So see here, equal, what should I do? I'll try like apply like this. If B2 greater than or equals to 35,000, it means I should calculate B2 into 15%. Correct? And if not, then means if the sales is above and equals to 35,000, it's okay, and if not, then I'll have to use AND operator here. So I am using AND. What should be the condition? If and B2 is greater than equals to 25,000 and it should also be less than 35,000. So what is the criteria of this? If this returns true, then I will apply B2 into 12 upon 100. Correct? If this is the condition, if satisfied, then this. And if this condition becomes false, then I'll have to check another condition. Again, if and B2 greater than equals to 20,000 and B2 less than 25,000, then the commission is on B2 is 10%, so into 10 upon 100. Else means if below 20,000, then it should be how much? 5% on B2. 5 B2 into 5 upon 100. So 1 is okay, then 2, this condition is okay, and put one more. So here this is also okay. Now I think this statement is correct, and this way if I apply and press enter, let me see whether it is correct or not. So it is giving since it is above equals to 25,000 and B2 less, okay, sorry, this is B4, this is B4, 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 and again B4, 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 B4. So this mistake I have committed, and this should not be done for and B4. Okay, fine. So here this is the commission. So try 25,000, 12% of 25,000. Let me check. $25,000 into 12 upon 100, so 3,000. So it means I have calculated, or my formula is correct. And if I want to copy this formula to the rest of the cells, okay, so 5% of 16,800. 5% of 8,200 is 410 only, and this way we can apply and if, and we can apply multiple conditions here. You can say the nested if, the brilliant formula to apply on. So hope this statement is correct and you understand this statement. and how to apply if. I hope you have come to know and you understood the concept. So that's all for the day. So we'll meet in the our next video with new operator, that is OR operator. So we'll discuss this in our next video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, my request is, if you're not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and share the video with your friends so that they get the insights on if and operator, logical operator, and you too apply and if on your Google Sheet. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.